Okay, dear student, here we are starting some practice question, that is extra questions from chapter 1 number system. Question 1, simplify. In that the question is here square bracket, this is also square bracket and this small bracket, okay, and in that 625 to the power minus 1 half. Then please note down, this is square, this is 1 by 4th power, this is square bracket having 2 power. Okay, now let's see how to solve, which is very simple. Equal to sign is compulsory to mention. Let's move out one by one step. Now focus on 625. We know that 625 is a perfect square of 5, right? 25. Perfect square of 25. So in simple, if I ask you to write, so we can say 625 can be written as this way. Agree? 5 to the power 4. So we need to mention first this way what we are given according to the question. Now here again square bracket, here 5 to the power 4. So let me write this 4 power here into, now you see 4 power into this 1 half power. So let me write it here as it is, and this 1 by 4 power as it is, and of course this 2 power I am writing as it is. Fine. Now let's work out. So in this power only we will have, this will be cancelled. So 5 to the power minus 2. 2 into minus 1 gives the result minus 2. Now this time I am removing this square bracket and I am multiplying this 1 by 4 with the power of this. So here I am multiplying this with this and here it will remain 2. Now let's simplify. Further if I simplify, now this will be cancelled, so here it will be 2. So 5 will have minus 1 half power. 5 will have minus 1 half power and this is 2. So what should we do? 2 will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So 5 will have minus 1 power. Fine. 5 will have minus 1 power. We know we can write 5 to the power 1. That is, answer is 1 by 5. This is the complete solution. I am explaining once again from here. See, 5 to the power 4. We wrote here 4 into minus 1 half. 2 cancel. So here it will be 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. And now after removing this square bracket, this 1/4 power will be multiplied with this minus 2. So as we know, this 2 ja 4. So here it is minus 1 will be left in the numerator. So it is minus 1 half. Okay. And this is 2 again will be multiplied with this minus 1 half. 2 cancel. So finally 5 will have minus 1 power left. As we know that whenever here it is negative power, we need to write it 1 upon. If we write it in a 1 upon, then it will become, the power will become positive. And as we know, 5 to the power 1, it means only 5. The final answer is 1 by. Okay, dear student, let's take one more example, that is simplify. Here you can see 4th power. This is 4th power. This is inside that cube root, that we call cube root, and that is in that cube root of 2 square. Cube root of 2 square and it's a 4th root. Okay, this is the question, which is very simple. As we know that, let's begin how to do. If I ask you to remove this 4th power, this 4th root, not power, 4th root, then surely you will write this way. This already we are having. I need to write in the beginning step, this is 1 by 4th power. Fine. Now again I am going to remove this cube root. This 2 square is already there. Fine. So it's a cube root. Cube root indicate 1 by 3. So I am writing it here 1 by 3. And of course this is 1 by 4. Fine. So in such a case, how to solve? First of all, I am going to multiply 2 with 1/3. 2 into 1/3 and let this 1 by 4th remain in the power. So 2 to the power 2 ones are 2 upon 3 and to the power 1 by 4. Okay. So 2 to the power 2 by 3 is already there. See, into it will be multiplied by 1 by 4. So let's simplify. If I simplify it, then 2 ones are 2. This will be 2. So finally I should say 2 1 ones are 1, 2 to the power and 3 2s are 6. This is the. Now from the same chapter chapter 1 number system, I am taking one example, means extra questions. In simplify, the question is 16 to the power 0.16 into 16 to the power 0.09. Okay. Now here we are not going to write 16 as a 2 to the power 4. Instead of doing so, just observe here base similar. This base similar, so here we are going to apply law of exponent. Okay. So here we need to write here applying the law of exponent. Applying the law of the exponent. Okay. For that, what we have to do, we know the law of exponent. It says, let me write it here, a to the power, here x to the power a. Suppose x is a base and x to the power b. So we know that x to the power a plus b is the law of exponent. Whenever here base similar and multiplication, then power will be added. Okay, same property, same law of exponent we are going to use here. So what do we have here? 16 is a base which is similar. So what should we write in the numerator? 0.16, yeah, plus 0.09. Okay, so 16 to the, now 0.16 plus 0.09, 0.16 plus 0.09, it means that sum will be 0.25. 16 plus 9 means 25. Now how to simplify further? Let's see. Just forget this 16, let it be as it is and focus on this 0.25. Can I write 0.25 as 25 by 100 after removing this decimal 25 by 100? So if I write 25 by 100, then of course 25 1ja and this is 25 4ja 100. So it will become 16 to the power 1 by 4. Fine. Now here 16, it means we know 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2. So we can write it as a 2 to the power 4 into this 1 by 4. Okay. So this 4 cancelled. So 2 to the power 1 only left, which is 2 only. 2 to the power 1 gives the result 2 only. This is the. So my dear student, in the practice question, one more question from the chapter 1 we are taking, that is simplify. Okay. The question is 5 in the bracket 8 to the power 1/3 plus 27 to the power 1/3 whole to the power, this bracket whole to the power 3 and the square bracket to the power 1 by 4. Okay. Let's see how to solve. Let's start. Equal to sign compulsory to write. This is 5. Now, as we know that, all of us we know that 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. That is, it is a 2 cube. Agree? And into here it is 1 by 3 already there. Same thing, work out on 27. Think about 27. 27 also can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. So 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. Into 1/3 power is already there. And computation of bracket full 3 and here it is full 1 by 4 power. Equal to, let's see. This is 5 already with us. This 3 3 cancel, this 3 3 cancel. 2 to the power 1, it means only 2, You can mention first time 3 to the power, this 3 cancels, so it will be 1 whole to the power 3, and here it is 1 by 10. So let's work out further. We know that 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1. It gives the result 5. 2 plus 3, 5 whole to the power 3. And here it is 1 into 4. Now what is the relationship between this? So I can write this as this. This 5 can be written as 5 to the power 1. Now very important step starts here. We can write this 5 as 5 to the power 1, and between these two brackets always find multiplication sign. And this is 5 to the power 3. And this is full 1 by 4 power. Now let's apply law of exponent. Okay, the law of exponent, which law we are using here? The same law, a to the power x to the power a into x to the power b, that is x to the power a plus b. This we are applying because here 5 is a similar, means base similar, then we add then here multiplication between them. So we are going to add the power 1 plus 3. And of course full is having 1/4 power already there. So let it be as it is 1/4 power. So finally this is 1 plus 3 is 4 into this is 1 by 4. Okay, so 4 will be cancelled. So finally I should say 5 to the power 1 left, and which is equal to 5, and this is the complete solution. Okay, I am explaining little bit again. Here nothing I have done. Here 8 can be written as 2 cube and 27 can be written as 3 cube. As this 3 cancelled, so 2 to the power 1, that is only 2, and 3 to the power 1 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 here. And between these two multiplication sign is there, and here no power indicate always 1 power. 5 to the power 1. Now applying law of exponent here. So x to the power a into x to the power b equal to x to the power a plus b. This law of exponent we are applying for this as 5 base similar. So here we will have 1 plus 3, and we know 1 plus 3. Practice question. Here in practice question chapter 1 number system, we are taking one more question. Simplify 2 to the power n plus 2 to the power n minus 1. And here 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 2 to the power n. Okay. Now how to do this question? Because here 2 to the power n, what we are given, let it be as it is. Now focus on this. Here 2 to the power n minus 1. What we are going to do? We are separating the power. So here we need to write here 2 to the power n into 2 to the power minus 1. Suppose we are given this, so we can write this because base similar. So we can write n minus 1. Fine. So reverse procedure we are doing, the law of exponent we are applying. Now here also the same thing. N plus 1 power indicate that 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power n here. Okay. Now observe carefully, something we can take out common from numerator. What is that? Here 2 to the power n and this 2 to the power n common from numerator. So 2 to the power n common. So what will be left in the bracket? Here full term is outside. So here nothing is left, means consider always 1. 1 into 2 to the power n, it means 1. So 1 will be left. Same thing is here. This term is outside. So here it will be 2 to the power minus 1. Let it be as it is upon. Same thing in the denominator also we are going to do. 2 to the power n common. This is common. 2 to the power n common. So what will be left? So 2 to the power 1 means 2 to the power 1 I am writing here. Minus full term outside. What will be left here? Nothing, means 1. Simple. Now as we know that 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n, it will be cancelled. So it will be 1. Though we can't cancel this way, we need to write actually in the power form. 2 to the n minus n. 2 to the power n minus n, like that we need to write. But it's okay for this here. Now here 1 is already there. We know that 2 to the power minus 1 means 1 upon 2, 1 half. How? Because minus 1, it will bring, if we remove this minus, then we need to write it here, it is plus. So next step, 2 to the power 1 is 2 minus 1, simple. As we know, 1 into any number is same. Now 1 plus 1 half. 1 plus 1 half means 3 by 2. How to do? 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is 3 upon 2 LCM. And 2 minus 1 gives the result 1. It means that 3 by 2 upon 1 means only 3 by 2. This is the solution of this question. The practice question from chapter 1 number system. Simplify. The question is simplify 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n upon 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2. Okay. Now let's see how to solve this. First of all, we need to take out something should be common. Okay. There are 2-3 techniques of solving this sum. We can go with any of the techniques. Okay. So better we should go with this also. See, 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. Agree? Because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. So it gives the result 16. And here n plus 1 is there. Let it be minus. This 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2, 2 square, and 2 to the power n is already there. Now, denominator again 16, it means 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2 equal to. Okay, now the different techniques with that we can solve. So let's try our best to take out common from there. Okay, what can be common? Now let's find out that. Just think about this, 2 to the power 4 as it is. In this step only I can write here 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1. That is as a common. Sorry, that is as a separating the power minus 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power n upon 2 to the power 4 into, let me separate this denominator, 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2. This is very important step. Here we have done the changes, minus 2 to the power nothing means 1, 2 to the power here n into 2 to the power 5. Now something is common from numerator. First of all we can say this, we can write common. This is also common. So first of all I am taking out 2 to the power n common. So what will be left inside? So you see, we will have 4 plus 1. I need to write here 4 plus 1 power left. Here 2 to the power 2 left. Okay. In denominator 2 to the power n, we need to take out common. So here 2 to the power 4 plus 2. So it will be 2 to the power 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 2 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3. Right? So something is common and they are same in numerator and denominator. So let it be. Now here 2 to the power 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 it means 5. Simple, directly also I can write here 2 to the power 5. And we know 2 to the power 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16 and 16 to ja 32. 2 to the power 2 is 4 upon 2 to the power 6 indicate that 32 is 2 to the power 5. So into 2, 6 times 2. So it gives the result 64. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 32 minus 4 is 28. Of course, 64 minus 8, it gives the result 56. Now we know that 28 is 56. So this is 1, this is 2. So common factor is 28. The answer is